The European bison is the largest land mammal in Europe and a smaller relative of the American bison, with a shoulder height of up to 2 meters. Up to 20 females live among themselves, led by a leading cow. Adult bulls live separate from the females outside of the mating season. Despite their mass of several hundred kilograms, bison can jump up to 2 meters high and even overcome 3-meter wide ditches. The last wild European bison was shot in 1927. This species has only survived thanks to zoos like Tierpark Berlin and their commitment to conservation breeding. Some of the bison born in Berlin have now been successfully released into the wild.
Seahorses are extraordinary creatures. They swim vertically and, unlike most other fish, have an exoskeleton. They move their eyeballs independently like chameleons and are the only animals in the entire animal kingdom where the male becomes pregnant. For seahorses, finding a mate can be very difficult as they are poor swimmers. Losing their mate has disastrous repercussions as most wild seahorse species are monogamous and have been known to die of grief after losing their mate. Seahorses are also sadly worth their weight in gold. The reason for the declines in seahorse populations, according to the conservation organization, is the recreational boating in the bay. Boaters are dragging their anchors along the seagrass beds and disturbing the decayed breeding grounds of the two species of seahorses.
Lynxes are medium-sized, solitary wildcats that roam the forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. Lynx are usually a light brown, red, rusty, or gray color with dark spots for camouflage. Their fur grows thicker in winter to keep them warm in cold climates. Lynx have also been known to kill farm animals such as sheep and goats, particularly when the livestock is left to graze near the edge of a forest. The International Union for Conservation of Nature classifies the Liberian lynx as endangered, while the Eurasian and Canada lynx and the bobcat are classified as of least concern. They are threatened by the loss and fragmentation of their habitats, humans who trap them for the valuable fur, and issues affecting their prey, such as disease and climate change.
The European mink has a very long body with short limbs. The winter fur is very thick and dense. The summer fur is a little bit shorter. Mink oil is used in some medical products and cosmetics, as well as to treat, preserve, and waterproof leather. European minks live near forest streams. They are carnivores with a carnivorous diet of riparian animals like frogs, fish, voles, insects, and crustaceans. They have been listed as critically endangered by the IUCN, and their conservation is a big problem for the Europeans to handle. Today, their populations are below 20% of their former range, and they are nearly extinct.